What's going on, everybody? Brian here from Brian's Broadcast. I hope all of you are doing fantastic. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and a first impression of two Amouroud fragrances. The first one I had in my collection was White Sands. Beautiful tropical fragrance, very potent, very long lasting. So I was really curious to explore into this house. I purchased Himalayan Woods and Smoky Citrus. I've been after these two fragrances for quite some time, and finally I got some really good prices on this. Before I proceed, if this is the first time you're visiting my channel, please consider subscribing and hitting the thumbs up button if you like contents like these. So the reason I purchased Himalayan Woods is because it has juniper berry in it. Now, another fragrance that I thoroughly enjoy but has juniper berry is Gentle Fluidity Silver. Absolutely love this fragrance, especially in high heat conditions. I'm gonna find out more about Himalayan Woods and Smoky Citrus, so stick around. First, I'm gonna go with Himalayan Woods. Let's do an unboxing of this beautiful fragrance. So Amouroud is pretty well known in the community, but not everybody talks about this particular brand. But they're well worth the price if you can get them at the discounters. That's the beautiful box. This is a metal plug, in case you didn't know. Let's go ahead and check out inside. The fragrance comes in a beautiful white pouch. Let's see what Himalayan Woods is all about. So I'm gonna read out the notes to you from their official website, and I'm gonna do my first impression of Himalayan Woods. So as per the Amouroud website, on the top you've got cardamom, black pepper, clary sage, juniper berry, lemon blossom. Quite a lot of interesting notes up top. Warm, at the same time crispy, fruity kind of vibes. On the mids you've got jasmine, kayak wood, vanilla flower. So you got some floral counterparts with some woody, vanilla, creamy kind of vibe, I believe. And on the base you've got tonka, white amber, oud, patchouli, and musk. Pretty heavy, dense base. So that was Himalayan Woods. Let me show you the bottle once again. Beautiful bottle, very nice. And it's got a metal cap, very heavy cap, and that's a metal plug in the front. Let's go ahead and I'm gonna spray Himalayan Oud on my left hand. Let's go ahead. Beautiful atomizer. Oh, this is good. Look at the amount of juice it shoots out. So you better shoot your, actuate your sprayer atomizer from a distance. Look at the amount of juice it shot out. It has this wonderful crispy vibe about it, like juniper berry. It has this nice woody crispy kind of vibe, almost gives you like that frozen chilled air vibe. Beautiful stuff. Like, it's very masculine leaning. Not saying like it's totally masculine, but definitely needs some acquired taste for this thing. Is it a safe blind buy? I would say yes. Has some kind of like a sourness going on. You do feel the warmth of it from the black pepper. So of course there's this crisp vibe from the juniper berry. There's this woody tone to it. There's some kind of like a sourness going on in the background. I cannot tell what exactly it is. A herbaceous vibe to it. So I guess it's the clary sage. Black pepper definitely working out its fresh, spicy zing to it. Not too much, smooth. It's toning down to something really nice. Like, it has that bright factor as well as some darker background with a hint of warmth to it. I would say Himalayan Woods is something you might want to rock all throughout the year. This is very nice. Very nice. And it's potent too. Like, it's already burning my nostril. Like, it is potent. I'm not sure about the patchouli coming through because it's in the base. Has that like a ambery vibe to it as well. So it's turning more woody now. So a bit of succulent in the beginning, and then it quickly turns into something a bit more dry, woody thing. The vanilla they used over here, they mentioned about vanilla flower, so I'm not guessing it's the full creamy or powdery kind of vanilla. It's more of the essence, the effect, as opposed to the note itself. I'm not getting like a super defined vanilla here, but I guess it's used to tone down the effect of oud or florals, the woody parts. It's kind of like acting as like a smoothing agent. Beautiful stuff. Himalayan Woods from the brand of Amouroud. Let's proceed with Smoky Citrus. Let's see what Smoky Citrus is all about. Smoky Citrus is also something that a lot of people have claimed to be like a beautiful fragrance. So this is the first Amouroud with a black bottle. I know it's a black bottle and a black box. Beautiful, like it's shiny, very elegant, very posh. Let's go ahead. Okay, black pouch, and it says Amouroud right there. Nice, 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 nice. Look at this black bottle. So you've got a white and a black thing. Beautiful stuff. Let me first read out the notes of Smoky Citrus. From the website, on the top you've got bergamot, Italian lemon, petite grain. So this is petite grain. I believe it's the orange blossom thing. It's a floral, white floral kind of thing with some citrusy aspects to it. On the mids, you've got lavender, some mineral accord, and eucalyptus. Interesting. This is where things might get a bit finicky. Let's see. And on the base, you've got oak moss, patchouli, leather, and woods. Let's experience Smoky Citrus for the first time. Beautiful, beautiful cap. Very nice presentation, bottle, packaging, everything. Like everything about Amouroud is like top notch. Let's go ahead. I'm gonna spray Amouroud Smoky Citrus on my right hand. Let's see. Shoots a lot of juice. Beautiful stuff. This is not your typical citrus fragrance. So what I'm detecting right away, it has some kind of a white floral thing going on. So the petite grain is pretty pronounced in the opening. The bergamot and the lemon, they don't act like a super fruity one. It's more on like the green thing, green fruitiness, fresh fruitiness, but not the defined ripe sweet fruit. It has this hint of bitterness to it. It's dark. I wouldn't say it's very smoky, but the hint of smoke is definitely there. 100% it's the oak moss. Like, you know how oak moss can be green and kind of like smoky at the same time? Is it worth the blind buying? In my opinion, this one might not be for everybody, but if you are used to a variety of fragrances, like a whole genre of freshies, this is something worth having in your collection. Almost has this leathery kind of vibe to it. Does it have leather? Of course it has leather. The woody notes pronounced. The mineral notes, I wouldn't say it's too much of metallic or mineral kind of vibe. It's not even salty, but has the tone to it, like almost like, I don't know how to say this, but if you're by the seaside, you have this moss-covered stone or rock. If you smell that, the mineral part only, I'm not saying about the eggy part or rotten egg kind of smell that you get. It's not about that, but just the mineral part, like it's not super pronounced, but it's there. You feel it. Very nice. It's fresh, clean, vibrant. Some hints of smokiness, like I said. Woodiness is definitely there, and there's some kind of like a beautiful herbaceous vibe to it as well, but the green vibe is gone at this point. So give it a couple of minutes. I think the green bitterness is gonna go away. No sweetness though, no fruitiness, but it's like super fresh, very relaxing kind of fragrance. Something you should be able to pull off during the cooler months as well as in the hotter days. Like this thing has that dark aspect, like the factor to last throughout the colder times as well as the hotter weather. Like in the air, it smells very nice, smooth, nice, crisp, Beautiful stuff. So Amouroud might not be a safe blind buy for all, but anybody who has experienced quite a lot of fragrances, especially freshes, this is definitely worth having in your collection. Himalayan Woods is more of a safer blind buy. Both fragrances are perfect for all kind of weather, in my opinion. Though, I mean, do let me know in the comments if you have tried these. What are your thoughts? What are your opinions, guys? If you have made it this far, I humbly request, if you have not subscribed yet, please do so. It helps with the channel's production and helps me go up in the algorithm too. If you like this content, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and make sure to comment and let me know what you feel about Amouroud Smoky Citrus and Himalayan Woods. What are your thoughts? What are your opinions? Any other fragrance worth trying from this line and brand? So until the next one, please take care, stay safe, and all the best.